Okay, this is 2E0 Hotel Papa India Portable, operating lighthouses and English castles and flora fauna on 40 metres on 7.097. Hopefully you'll get a few in the log. Siki 2E0 Hotel Papa India Portable. 2E0 Hotel Papa India Portable. 2E0 Hotel Papa India Portable. CQ.
Mike 0 Kilo Charlie Bravo.
Mike 0 Kilo Charlie Bravo. Good morning, Darius 59.
QSL there, Carly, you're also 5 and 9. It's been snowing here. I hope it's not too bad for you, over.
Yeah, it's blue sky at the moment, but I think we're going to get some snow tomorrow, over.
Roger, okay, keep warm, take care, and thanks for the activation, 7311.
Yeah, thank you, mate, 7311, and thanks for calling in today, QSZ. Golf 7, Victor Julia Alpha. Good morning, Ken 59.
59 also, Carl, 5 and 9 also, and Golf 1 Delta India Foxtrot, 5 and 9.
Yeah, Golf 1 Delta India Fox, also 5 and 9 on a very cold morning here. Thanks for calling, Ken 7311.
All the best, Carl, 73, have a good one.
Thank you, mate, all the best. 2E0 Hotel Papa Italy Portable. Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango, 5 and 5, 5 and 5, over. Thank you for 5 and 5 also. Thank you, mate. 7-3. Bye-bye. Oscar November 3 Delta Whiskey Golf. QSL?
Yeah, QSL Golf. Thank you for letting me in on the call. Your report is 5-9 today, QSL?
Yeah, QSL there, guy. Good morning, mate. You're also 5 and 9 here. Inter-Hartlepool, over.
Okay, thank you. And have you some WV square or is the normal square?
Yeah, my home square, November 053 today, over.
Okay, QSL, thank you, Carl. I wish you a very good activation and 73 4411. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you, mate. 7311, and thanks for calling in from 2E0 Hotel Papa India Portable. Golf 4 November Alpha Quebec. Good morning, Clive 59.
Good morning, Carl. You're lovely 5-9 as well this morning. Thanks very much. And Golf 4 Alpha Hotel Golf 59.
Yeah, Golf 4 Alpha Hotel Golf also 59. Thanks for calling in, mate. 7-3. We'll catch you soon. 11.
Cheers.
Golf 0 Delta Golf
Golf 0 Delta Golf Foxtrot. Good morning, 5-9.
Yeah, you're 5-7 today, Carl. Nice to meet you again. Nice day for it, hopefully, up there. It's lovely down here. G0 DGF.
Yeah, thanks for the 57. Yeah, it's a nice, we've got nice blue sky this morning, but I think we're might get some snow tomorrow, so whether I get out, I'm not too sure. Thanks for calling in again, 7-3, we'll catch you soon, bye-bye.
7-3.
Papa Alpha 3 Delta Hotel Radio Deck. Good morning, 5 and 9.
Roger, good morning again, Carl. Thank you very much for the activation. You're a Portea Rotterdam, fine business, 5-9 plus.
QSL, thank you for the 5 and 9. Nice to get in the log here. Nice to get in the log. Thank you for calling, 7311. Oscar November 3 Lima Mike Alpha, 5 and 9. Thank you for the 57. Thank you, mate. 7311. QSZ. Golf 0 Fox Golf Italy. Good morning, Tom 59.
QSL, Carl 59 received, 59 I'm sending you, lovely signal this morning. Where are you today?
Yeah, I'm in my home square, November 053, over.
QSL, thank you very much indeed for the activation. I've got the park number. Thank you, 73.
Yeah, thanks, mate, 73, and thanks for calling today, QSZ.
Golf 4 Zulu November Yankee.
Golf 4 Zulu November Yankee. Good morning, Key 59.
Yeah, good morning, Carl. Thanks for coming back to the call. You are 5 and 9 also. Lovely signal into Milton Keynes. Keep warm, mate, and thanks for the activation. 73.
Yeah, thanks for the 5-9. Great signal here, and I'm not going to be out for too long. Got some shopping and bits to do this day. 7-3, mate. Bye-bye. Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. Hello there, Don 5-9.
Good morning, Carl. Thanks for the 5-9. 5 and 9 on
Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie, 59 also, Carl, was you?
Yeah, Mike 0, Oscar Mike Charlie, also 509. Fantastic signal there, plus 20 there, Don. Thanks for calling in, mate. Well, hopefully catch you tomorrow if the weather's okay. Bye-bye.
Roger, right, you stay warm, mate, 73, and thanks for the activation. Cheers, mate, bye-bye.
Yeah, thanks, Don. 7-3, mate, all the best. QSOs.
Mike 0 Lima Zulu November.
Mike 0, Lima Zulu November. Good morning. 5-9, over.
Roger on the 5-9, you're 5-9 also. Have a great activation and don't get too cold today.
Yeah, thanks for the 5-9. Yeah, it's not too bad at the moment. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit, but I'll only be out here for an hour. Thanks for calling. Hopefully catch you tomorrow if it's not snowing. 7-3.
7-3. Mike Golf Yankee.
Oscar November 4, Mike Golf Yankee. Good morning, Nick. 5-9.
Good morning, Carl. Also 5-9, very strong this morning. Please right also in the log. Oscar 4 Mike 5-9 QSL.
QSL Oscar 4 Mike, also 5-9 there, Nick. Thanks for calling, mate. Nice to get you loggy there. 7-3.
Many thanks, Carl. Always a pleasure to work you. 60.
Take care, mate. All the best. QSL.
Usually Tango Kilo Fox.
Golf 3 Tango Kilo Foxtrot. Good morning. 5-9.
Yeah, good morning, Carl. 5-9 also. Thanks for the activation and stay warm. GTKF.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Thanks for the 5-9, and I'm going to put my gloves back on shortly. 7-3. Bye bye.
73 is Golf 4 Hotel Tango Victor as well.
Golf 4 Hotel Tango Victor. QSL.
Yeah, QSL 5-9 also.
Yeah, 5-9 also for Golf 4 Hotel Tango Victor. Thanks, mate. 7-3.
Yeah, 73 is Golf. Kilo 1 Germany Papa Germany.
Italy Kilo 1 Germany Papa Germany. 5-8. 5-8, Massio.
Roger, Carl. Good morning from Italy Kilo 1 Golf Papa Golf. You're 5-5. 55. Thank you.
Thank you for the 55, mate. Nice to get in the log this morning. 7-3-11. Bye bye.
Golf 4 Papa Foxtrot Kilo.
Golf 4 Papa Fox Kilo. Good morning, Grim. 5-9.
Yes, very good morning. Lovely signal again this morning. Lovely clear frequency of 5-9 plus 20.
Yeah, thank you for the 5-9 plus 20. I just looked at the signal meter there. Yeah, 5-9 plus 20 also this morning. Great to get you in the log. Very cold here, but getting through the calls there. Thanks for calling. Catch you soon with 7-3.
73 Carl. Have a good day.
Echo Alpha 4, go again. Echo Alpha 4, Yankee Tango, 5-5, 5-5, over. Thank you for the 5-7, thank you, 7-3, QZ. Saki, this is 2 Echo 0, Hotel Papa India Astro Portable. Again. Mike 0, Yankee Delta Bravo, about 5-5, 5-5, over. Yeah, thank you, mate. Thanks for calling in. 7-3. Delta Lima 5, Zulu Germany, QSL. QSL, I've got you about 5-5 here. 5-5, 5-5. Thanks for calling. 7-3-11. Saki, 2 Echo 0, Hotel Papa India Astro Portable.
Delta Bravo 3 Lima Bravo Golf.
Delta Bravo 3 Lima Bravo Golf, 5757.
Okay, good morning to you. You're 555 into northern Germany. QSL.
QSL, a 5-5 there. I just looked at my meter. You're actually 5-9 there. 5-9 here today. Thanks for calling. 7-3-11.
73. Bye bye.
All the best. 2 Echo 0, Hotel Papa India Astro Portable. Mike 0, India Bravo Hotel. QSL.
Mike 6 India Bravo Hotel. 5-9 on me there.
Yeah, also 5-9 Cliff. Mike 6 India Bravo Hotel. Thanks for calling. Catch you on the other band. 7-3. 2 Echo 0, Hotel Papa India Astro Portable. Secure. Secure, 2 Echo Zero Hotel Papa India Astro Portable from Golf 01809, Golf 02566, Golf 03714, and Echo November Golf 154, 305 and 332, and Golf 0193 for parks on the air. Secure.
Papa Delta 2, PD2.
Yeah, Papa Delta 2, Gold Charlie Mike, mobile. Hello, my friend, Gerard, 59, over.
Yeah, Roger. Very good morning, my friend. Yeah, excellent signal. I'm mobile, I'm now mobile. I just stepped into my car and going out with my dog, Carl. But your report is 59 plus 10. 10 to be over 9. Excellent signal this morning. QSL?
Yeah, QSL there, Gerard. Yeah, you're 59 here also. 59 also here. And getting stronger as you go through the QSO. Running 50 watts for the Icom 7100 and the end-fed half-wave antenna, over.
Excellent. Well, my compliments. Excellent signal. 59 plus. There is some QSB, but your average signal is 59. And of course, as always, thank you very much for the activation. Correct me if I'm wrong. 3 castles and 3 lighthouses. Is that correct, Carl?
Yes, QSL, that is correct. 3 lighthouses and 3 castles. QSL.
Okay, Roger. Okay. Well, thank you very much, mate, for the activation. Definitely, maybe I will catch you later on today. I'm not sure if you will do a second activation, but at least the first one is in the log. Thank you very much, mate, for the activation, and maybe I will catch you later. Have a wonderful day and keep warm over there. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, Gerard, yes, it'll be the only activation today. Only this activation today, but nice to get in the log, mate. And we'll catch you hopefully tomorrow if the weather is okay. Papa Delta 2, Golf Charlie Mike, mobile. 2 Echo Zero Hotel Papa India Portable. Cheers, mate.
Yeah, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Take care, mate. 7-3, all the best, Gerard. And Oscar November 4, Oscar November, good morning, 5-9.
Yeah, very good morning. You are also 5-9. Good luck with the pilot, Joe.
Thank you for the 5-9 also, mate. Love you to get in the log today. 7-3-11, bye-bye. Mike 0, Bravo, Mike X-ray. Good morning, Mel, 5-9.
Yeah, good morning. Happy New Year, Carl. Been off the air for a while, busy with other things. You're 5-9. Thanks for the activation. Take care, stay safe. Nice and sunny here. 73-11.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Happy New Year also. Lovely to see you in the band again. I heard you yesterday, I think it was on 20 metres or the day before, and you were very strong. I think it was when I was doing Salt Home. Thanks for calling, mate. We'll catch you soon. 7-3.
Bye. 2 Echo Zero, Romeo Kilo Zulu, Radio Lima.
Papa Delta 3, Romeo Lima, 5-9.
Roger, Carl, you're also 5-9. Thanks for your activation. Have a lovely day, 7-3.
Yeah, thank you, mate, 7-3, and thanks to the 5-9, and have a great day. It was a 2 Echo Zero station I called. Try again.
Yeah, 2 Echo Zero, Romeo Kilo Zulu.
Yeah, 2 Echo Zero, Romeo Kilo Zulu. You're 5-9 plus 20 here onto the RNLI lifeboat pier in the town of Hartlepool, over.
I'm also town of Hartlepool. I'm in Seaton, Carew. Is your first name Carl? Over.
QSL, mate, yes, getting you a good signal. I'm over on the banjo pier, over.
Yeah, I'll leave you at 5-9, Carl, but yeah, good signal.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Thanks for the 5-9, and yeah, I'll catch you at the club on Friday. Nice to get in the log. I do go through all the bands, so maybe it's where you're on 20, 15 and 10 metres today. Thanks for calling, 7-3.
Mike 7, Juliet Bravo Charlie.
Mike 7, Juliet Bravo Charlie. Hello there, John. Good morning, 5-9.
Good morning to you, Carl. It's 5-9 down here as well. You can also have 2 Echo 1 Juliet Bravo Charlie. I hope it's not as cold up as what it is down here.
Yeah, 2 Echo 1 Juliet Bravo Charlie. Yeah, thanks there, John. I'm not too sure what this temperature is actually. 1 degrees at the moment. 1 degrees over.
Positively sweltering. I'm -4 here. -4.
Yeah, I well believe it, mate. And it said it's going to be snowing from 1 o'clock. It's going to be snowing from 1 o'clock, so I should be gone by then, over.
Yeah, I get that. I think there's actually very tiny flakes of snow in the air now here. You know, as you're outside, you
keep looking round, thinking, what's that? And little tiny little bits coming down, although the sky's reasonably clear, there's just a little bit of haze up there, so it's starting to come.
Yeah, definitely starting to creep in, mate. It's worse when those snowflakes hit you in the eye, over.
Yeah, it is, you're right. Anyway, look, Carl, I've got to get back outside. I've just come in to swap gloves for some warm ones, because I'm processing a load of timber today, and it's not good on the hands when it's -4.
Yeah, don't blame you, mate, don't blame me. Well, you take care, have a great day, and we'll catch you a little bit later on from 2E0HPI Portable. Cheers, John.
That's like
7-3, mate.
Papa 1 Charlie.
2 Echo 0 Hotel Papa Indy Astro Portable. Secure. This is 2 Echo 0 Hotel Papa Indy Astro Portable. Secure.
Sierra Papa 1 Charlie.
Sierra Papa 1 Charlie, 5 and 7, 57.
QSL, you're also 5 and 7, QSL.
Thank you for the 5 and 7 also. Nice to get in the log here today, 7-3-11.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Secure. This is 2 Echo 0 Hotel Papa Indy Astro Portable.
Golf 8 November, Quebec Oscar, G8N QO.
G8N Quebec Oscar, QSL.
Yes, it's Golf 8 November, Quebec Oscar. Yes, you're 5 and 5. Good signal, thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 5. You're creeping up to 5 and 9 here, 5 and 9 plus 20 on my Icom 7100 here. Thanks for calling. Hope to wait you again soon. 7-3.
Yeah, 7-3-11.
Secure. 2 Echo 0 Hotel Papa Indy Astro Portable.
Golf 4 Hotel Quebec X-ray.
Golf 4 Hotel Quebec X-ray. Very good morning, Pete. 5-9.
Yeah, you're also 5-9, Carl, and a lovely morning down here. Hope it's okay with you.
Yeah, it's not too bad at the moment, but we're going to get some snow apparently after dinner, over.
Okay, well, make sure you're back on the bus by then. Okay, 7-3.
Yeah, thanks, Pete. I'm walking today. I'm only just down the road from my QTH, so I've got to go in town and get a bit of shopping on the way back. Thanks, mate. 7-3.
Yeah, okay, mate. All the best. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye. Q, has it? Delta Hotel 1 Papa Alpha Lima 5-9. Thank you for the 59 also. Thank you for calling today. 7-3-11. Secure. 2 Echo 0 Hotel Papa Indy Astro Portable. Florida 4 Oscar Lima Kilo QSL. Florida 4 Oscar Lima Kilo 5 and 7, 57. Yeah, Foxtrot 4 Oscar Lima Kilowatt 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Fox 4 Oscar Lima Kilo 5 and 7. Okay, nothing cared. 2 Echo 0 Hotel Papa Italy Portable. Secure. This is 2 Echo 0 Hotel Papa Indy Astro Portable. Secure. Oscar November 5 Julia Echo. Good morning, Bill. 5-9.
Yes, Roger, good morning, and thank you. Oscar November 5 Juliet Echo. You have a 5 and 9, 59. Thank you for the contact. Greetings. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Bill. Thank you for 5 and 9. Greetings from the UK. 7-3. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Oscar November 7 George Radio.
Oscar November 7 George Radio. Good morning. 5-9.
Good morning, Bill. Thank you very much. Also 59. Thank you for the
Thanks to the 59. Thanks for calling on 40 metres. 7-3-11. Bye-bye. Okay, Fox 4 Echo Lima Kilo 5757.
Roger, you are 55 QSL.
Roger, the 55 QSL. Thanks for calling. 7-3-11. Bye.
Oscar November 4 Alpha Uniform Bravo.
Oscar November 4 Alpha United Bravo 5-9. Good morning.
Good morning, Carol. You're also 5-9 plus 7-3.
Thank you for the 5-9 plus 7-3, and thanks for calling on 40 metres. Bye bye.